Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Rhobus D215 Intelligent Bracelet. This is what is known as a fitness wearable, and the device helps monitor certain aspects of your life like the heart rate, steps taken during the day, or the distance walked. As we can see, the front of the package has some branding up top, some imagery in the middle, and some of the key highlights at the bottom. The key highlights are heart rate monitoring, temperature sensor, calories burned, footsteps taken during the day, GPS, and call notifications. The right hand side of the package, the left hand side, the top and the bottom do not have anything on it. The back is where some of the detailed specifications are. We can see that the product has a 1.3-inch display, data transmission via Bluetooth 4.0. Here is some information about the chip inside it. The product uses a USB charging interface. The product can save some data on it for 1 month. Its net weight of 27 grams. It has a 150 mAh lithium polymer battery. It takes about 2 hours to charge. The material of the strap is TPU, and here are some of the dimensions of the product. At the bottom we can see the different color options that the product is available in. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. Now that we have everything out of the box, let's see what we have here. We get a user manual which will help you start off with using the device. On the front we have a barcode that helps you download the app that goes with the smartwatch. To the right we have the wrist straps that go into the watch like this. And we also get a USB charger that can be used to charge this watch. USB-A on one end and a receiver of USB-A on the other. The watch itself has the home button underneath the display, and on the bottom you can see the heart rate monitor. This has been the unboxing of the Rhobus D215 Intelligent Bracelet. Thank you for watching.